Keep aware that the Ford Mustang wheel spacers may cause wheel vibration. In fact, Ford Mustang wheel spacers do not cause any vibration. If there is a small sign of vibration, it is strongly recommended to have a check. The thickness of the Ford Mustang wheel spacers and the tightness of the lug nut are the two first factors users focus on. If you make everything right, there should be no vibration issues. Most wheel vibration problems are balanced on leg-centric Ford Mustang wheel spacers. A leg-centric spacers mean there is big hole in the middle. The lug holes are also made large to fit a variety of vehicles. Without a snug fit, these spacers are centered on the vehicle hubs only by the wheel stud. If you are using these twist spacers, there is a high risk of wheel vibration. In this case, well-produced hub-centric Ford Mustang wheel spacers will be the easiest solution. As long as you use quality Ford Mustang wheel spacers and install them properly, they are very safe and reliable. Since the wheel stud and lug nut use a clamping force to secure the Ford Mustang wheel spacers and wheels, if the stud or lug nut are not strong enough to support this process, they will likely be bent by road impact. The provided wheel studs of BONOSS Ford Mustang wheel spacers are made of high-strength forged SCM-produced steel material. They have achieved ISO standard grade 12.9. With high strength, your Ford Mustang wheel spacers can bear more forces without breaking. Hub-centric Ford Mustang wheel spacers keep the wheel center and the balance on the vehicle hubs while driving. After the spacers and wheels are properly torqued, the hub-centric rings cover the gap between the center pole of the wheels to the hubs of the vehicle. Thus, hub-centric Ford Mustang wheel spacers are important because they ensure that the wheels are perfectly secure on the vehicles. This helps to prevent any kind of vibration issues. BONOSS Ford Mustang wheel spacers are designed with better multi-stage hub-centric design. The hub-centric metal is machined to be multi-layers, and the barrels fit the corresponding hub flange, which eliminating any possible gaps. Besides, they are CNC machined with precision at 0.02 mm tolerance. This improves the fit and functionality of spacers. Since Ford Mustang wheel spacers are components that can take the other part, you absolutely need high tolerance. Once again, Smiley is Grace. If you like our videos, please give us a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.